Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by protecting yourself. Run Registry Editor as administrator and export a backup of the Hive you'll edit so you can undo changes. Once done, navigate to HKey classes root \* for files or HKey classes root \directory \background for folder background items. Now create a new key under the chosen path named exactly what you want shown in the menu. This is the visible label. Make sure you keep Regedit open and avoid other changes to prevent accidental registry corruption. Next, add functionality. Create a subkey named command under your new key and set its default value to the full program path and arguments, for example C, \program files \tool. exe %1, quotes keep paths with spaces intact. You can also add a string value named icon pointing to an ICO or exe resource, or add an extended empty value to make the item appear only with shift. These options control appearance and behavior, so test exact paths and argument placeholders. To finish, refresh Explorer or sign out and back in so Windows reloads the context menu. Right-click to test the new entry on the intended target. Select it to confirm the command receives the file path. If you need to remove it, delete the key you created and refresh. Troubleshooting tip: if the item doesn't appear, make sure you edited the correct registry Hive for 64-bit versus 32-bit apps, while 6432 node. Verify permissions and confirm the default value contains the correct quoted executable and %1.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.